36 minutes later.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Chick-fil-A who?
Yeah. I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know.
What's up, y'all? It's Lil Shine again. Back with another Slap Yo Daddy video. So today, y'all, I just hit 1K subs, so I'm about to do a little something for y'all. So everybody talking about these Popeyes sandwiches. What? Oh my god. We gotta go get one, you already know. So we about to pull up to Popeyes because I need to see what's the hype. Y'all, this is the line so far. I don't know if y'all can see, but we here in the line. We are literally hanging out of the street and there's still people behind us. Like, all this for a sandwich though. Y'all look, even the line on the inside. Everybody in there, mama in there. These people even trying to leave the drive-thru. And she's stuck. She already got her food. Look, she better bag up. She said, hey, I'm leaving. I'm about to go eat my sandwich. She said, I'm going this way. Cause we hanging out the street like nobody could get out. 5:16 and we still in the same spot. Guys, look, they're on the line. Look. Yeah. Like my channel, man. And then Popeyes. Y'all, look at this line, like, oh, look at the line behind us. Look, people still pulling in. Hold on, let me get back in the car just in case we move up. Time check, we've been here for 14 minutes. And we still here. It's long. It has been 22 minutes and we are one car. If you here, gotta go get my sandwich on my lunch break. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. She telling me my man's got a sandwich already. Hold up, you see that bag? Oh, I see a sandwich in there. Yeah. Are we here? Hello?
Nope.
25 minutes later, you see that, boy? So, where's the sandwich?
3 days later.
All right, where are they at? I wanted some corn. Okay. You know how long? Oh! What is that?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Peanut butter banana pie?
You want
Ice cream.
Oh, that looks good. Oh my god. Do you see? Oh gosh.
chicken sandwiches and a peanut butter banana pie?
Yes, sir.
And
Hey, boy. She's so happy. She got her Popeye sandwich.
Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus.
Oops, she said, girl, you got one too? Oh, yeah, I did. We have now been here for 29 minutes. And we're still not at the window. We're finally here. We at the window. There's nothing. How many? 33 minutes. Ain't nobody came yet, but you know. Probably about 80 more minutes. Our final leaving time, 36 minutes later, we pull out the street. We up with the sandwiches, you dig? Alright, y'all, we back in the building, you dig? So, I just unpackaged my sandwich, my beautiful baby. Looking all buttery. Look at it. Oh, it's a little dent right now on somebody's salad or something, but you know that's okay. Oh, this smells like Hawaiian bread. Look at the butter and the mine look a little ugly, but look at that big piece of chicken. That's so big. They were this. Oh, they put a little meat on there. You know, like my sauce. You can see it's grilled in there, like they was cooking it with some butter. Oh my god.
I've seen YouTubers saying it come with chicken on it. I mean, not chicken.
Oh,
they come with pickles on it.
But just look at that bread. It's so buttery. All right, hold on.
Eat.
It's time to take the first bite. Hold on, I gotta find where I want to take the bite. All right, you ready?
They're smaller than mine. Look at hers. I got a fat piece of chicken. Look at her chicken.
What the heck? I was about to grab yours too, but I was like, What? They being skimpy now.
All right,
They
well,
running
go
out. Ready?
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh my God.
Popeyes chicken. Baby, when I tell you Popeyes will bless your soul.
Oh my God, it's so crispy. It tastes like Hawaiian bread. Hawaiian bread is good just by itself on
The
a
whole
sandwich.
thing is amazing.
Oh my.
Worth the wait.
You can even
It was
see
going
it.
like 2 hours.
Oh. You hear that crunch? That's that crisp.
I don't know if you hear it.
Oh my God. So crispy.
Got a little mayo on there.
Right, it gives it a little sauce. It's already juicy, like, oh. I don't do pickles.
Nope.
Chick-fil-A who?
It's so crispy, the crisp are falling out of my mouth. The Chick-fil-A sandwich don't do this.
Hey, look at the bread. Look at that fat piece of chicken.
Look at the crisp though. So this is what the hype was. I think I got 2.
Like $6 for this.
No, it was only 4.
It was? Oh, I
It's
forgot.
just
You
off
got
the meal.
the pies and stuff.
I got this new peanut butter banana pie. Oh yeah, guys. I'm getting full too. It's pretty big.
I wasn't even hungry before we started this video.
I know, I'm
But
gonna finish it,
I
but
can't
like,
stop eating. This biscuit.
These biscuits is
They even grilled the bread.
I know that's what I was trying to show.
Look at that.
It's like they really put in the skillet with some butter. Like, do Chick-fil-A do that? I ain't think so. You see the butter? This is like Cane's bread. Cane's bread with the Popeyes chicken. Ooh,
This thing too keep dropping.
I don't know. I just don't rock with pickles, but let's try it on this.
Give me one.
Oh, I'm about to try it. Try it with this pickle. I don't even like pickles. It's just ever since I eat McDonald's pickles, I just didn't like any type of pickle. These pickles are so disgusting. But this tastes like fresh cut pickles.
I can't even stop eating, y'all.
Hold on, y'all gotta hear this first. ASMR real quick.
boy, if you don't get
I don't know if I can hit the crunch or if it just sounds like I'm smacking. But it's smack. Smack.
turn up.
Ooh. It's full. It's full. I have to sleep. Sorry y'all from eating ugly. I want another one.
Another one?
Cook the bread and butter like that.
Stop touching my food. You got yours, I got mine.
Look at oh. Ah. Oh, I'm kind of full.
You just do put it in your mouth and not even bite it.
Oh God. Oh. I got 50 more.
Oh.
Hold on, y'all. We about to go get a piece of Turkish chicken and see if it looks like this crisp baby right there.
New freezer.
But y'all, I hit 1K subs today, so you already know what that means. That means I'm a verified YouTuber. You know, I know what to do. You know
Well, this is for this
what was that? This is Turkish,
and then my sandwich all messed over now, but
and this is this crispy. This don't even look a little dry. That looks so crispy, like it's shining. Out the way. A 1 out of 10. That's all you get?
rated 1
Oh,
to 10. I mean,
I give this a 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna have to say, I'm comparing Chick-fil-A.
I know, I never really liked the Chick-fil-A sandwich.
I liked it, but I used to eat it like every single day, so then I got tired of it. But my rating, I'm gonna say like a 9 out of 10.
What?
Only because I'm not that big of a fan of Hawaiian bread. It tastes good on the sandwich, but
I love Hawaiian bread, so this for this is smack. No, 11 out of 10, you did. And I'll probably get a little more mayo on it next time.
yeah, more mayo.
Because I did give it a good taste. Once you like did it, the mayo kind of gushed in
They
there.
didn't really put a lot on it.
But the little bit they did give it, it still made it taste good. But if they add a little more, it would just be, you know? But Chick-fil-A always kind of tasted like a microwave sandwich to me. Especially when it came in these bags. It's like, did they just throw it in the microwave? I don't know. Like, I like McChickens better than Chick-fil-A sandwich. So it was never crispy. It would just be like a piece of chicken. And it would be so dry. You had to put a whole bunch of honey mustard on it and a whole bunch of barbecue sauce. Then that Chick-fil-A would be good. This one, we ain't need nothing. This one was juicy.
Couple of.
And butter. Alright, stop eating. We done.
Okay.
That's it for today's video, you guys. I'm gonna be back with another video probably in the next couple days because I just started school, so you know my editing schedule got a little messed up, but I'm gonna try to get back on track for y'all. I know y'all been missing me because I've been missing you. You right there. I've been missing you. But that's it. Don't forget to comment down below if you've had this sandwich before and what do you rate the sandwich?
You just burp?
I'm gonna cut that out.
No, leave that in.
If you had this sandwich before, and what do you rate the sandwich? Did you like it? Did you like Chick-fil-A better? Let's chat in the comments. I love talking to y'all. And we out of here. Peace. I'm catching vibes from Silly. You know I'm rocking with me. Skirt, skirt, ah!
Back next week with another fishy.